online product listings pass the 3-second test? Well, my name is Heather Roberts, and I'm here to tell you what the 3-second test is and see if we can help you get your products to pass the test. Okay, let's click that. All right, so the 3-second test, that's how long you actually have nowadays to grab the customer's attention, to make them stop the scroll and take a look at your items online. Your product listings are now your online salesperson. Merchandising can be a real challenge for small to medium-sized businesses, and that makes a lot of sense if you think about it. First of all, these companies usually lack the financial resources needed to execute. Then you have the fact that customers can't touch the products, and then add to that, finally, that there's a lot of competition out there, so you really only have 3 seconds. It used to be 7, but I hate to break it to you, now it's down to 3. 88% of all shoppers rank merchandising as the #1 factor when deciding to make a purchase. This outranks both price and product reviews. We have kind of a simple formula that we use with our customers or our clients to help them break down the best way to create a product listing. First, you need a really good product title, the product description, imagery, and words that are SEO optimized. So let's break this down a little bit more. You need a product title that is SEO rich. You need to make sure that it is maximizing your character counts, which the norm is about 150 characters or less. You need to have a romance description that includes SEO terms, and the romance description should be a minimum of 400 characters. You need to include your product dimensions, which is width, depth, and height. And bullet points 1, 2, and 3 should really focus on the most crucial and important features of your products. 4, 5, and 6 should be additional highlights for unique selling features. You need to have an image that is a silhouette image on a white background, and your secondary images need to include a lifestyle, a close-up, a dimensional drawing, and highlight any unique selling features. If you have it, including a video is a really great way to go. So if you have more questions, then I recommend you go to RSG Sales. You can come and check out what we do, which is help home decor and furniture suppliers grow their e-commerce sales business. And you can book a call and we can set up a time to talk to you about how we can help you improve your online sales. Hope you have a great day.